This is how you talk to thousands of people, Jed. I'm working up a sweat thinking about talking, bruv.
So today we're running a workshop with Legion and ATC Williams, and we're just out here doing a bit of prep work, making sure everything's going to be working as it should when the clients rock up and we kick things off. Days like today are important just to get a better understanding of why we use certain methods, what they should be asking for and the questions they need to ask and they need answers for. It'll give them the opportunity to see all this stuff and get a wide range of demonstrations and methods before they go out in the field, and it'll just give the guys a better understanding of drilling from start to finish.
What we're going to do here today is we're going to do some push tubing, get down, find water, then we're going to install some wells.
My name's Peter Quinn, I'm with Mudex. We're a drilling fluid supplier. We're going to go through the fundamentals of drilling fluids, so drilling fluids 101.
So I think some of the examples that we have at the beginning are very visual, and I think they probably haven't seen some of those. And then also with the machines, I'm sure some of the methods that they haven't used before, it will be quite surprising for them.
What? I can't hear you over the drill rig.
This is the first time seeing drilling at all, and even core samples. This is my first time, so it's been very enlightening.
Yeah, I think the most interesting was the sonic drilling in here. I had to work one project to get some information for sonic drilling, and I've never seen actually physically and closely to this facility and this machine in here before.
Look, all my knowledge has been theory in university, so coming out here and actually seeing holes getting put in the ground and, the drill rigs in operation, the boys out there doing their work, doing the job, seeing the results from that, that's really cool because I haven't seen any of that. Modelling software and desktop studies all have their place and their purpose, but boots on the ground is hands down one of the most important parts in any project from start to finish.
But it's good bringing all the young guys around and getting them, show them what's happening. And it's good having the experience as part of the planning. Talk to the subbies, talk to the drillers, get their input. These guys have done it. They may have been on the same site, surrounding sites. They have an understanding, and just ask questions. These guys are solid on health and safety, but I saw a driller trip over a concrete core before. So
Mick's pulling out the inner rods here with the sample on. He'll take that around the back of the rig and cut the liner open, ready to present it to the client.
And this is really sandy. And you can see there's quite a lot of moisture. It's holding a lot of moisture.
Getting out and seeing rigs firsthand and watching the different methods, putting your hands on the samples and actually feeling in between your fingers rather than through textbooks, I think it'll be really good. It'll be a really positive exchange.
It still say it's a sandy clay, but with a lab test, you firm that up.
So importantly, the functions of drilling fluids, and this is what they do for us. There's a whole host of different challenges to overcome when drilling. So that's the first demonstration. The next demonstration, this is a really important one.